ఎన్డీఏ సర్కార్ సైన్స్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ రంగానికి అధిక ప్రాధాన్యత ఇస్తోందన్నారు కేంద్ర మంత్రి జితేంద్ర సింగ్. అంతరిక్ష రంగంలో ప్రైవేటు భాగస్వామ్యంతో మేలు జరిగిందన్నారు. దీంతో స్పేస్ సెక్టార్లో భారీగా పెట్టుబడులు వచ్చాయని చెప్పారు. ప్రస్తుతం భారత అంతరిక్ష రంగం $8 బిలియన్ చేరిందన్నారు. రాబోయే 10 ఏళ్లలో $45 బిలియన్ చేరుతుందన్నారు జితేంద్ర సింగ్.
And you must have realized the intent of this government over the last 10 years. Some of the most unexpected decisions taken, which were not even demanded for, like, for example, opening the space to the private sector. And also this year, the announcement to open the nuclear. Now, these are two departments which had reconciled to function with it behind a veil of secrecy. There was no demand. If those working in these departments were reconciled that this was the way how it should be, the nation and the society also felt that, look, these are the departments, they have to function like that. Space economy of India is going to be a very important component of India's growth story. So also, we are also proceeding in the nuclear sector and, of course, the biotech. And this was a contradiction considering the fact that all across the world, the economists of the view that the next industrial revolution is going to be biotech driven, like the last one, which was IT driven. And there's going to be a shift of economy, a paradigm shift from manufacturing sector to the regeneration cycles, to the recycling cycles, to the gene driven cycles. And with somebody like Pallav Bagla being there, he would be happy to know that the Axiom mission has a whole lot of component driven by Dr. Gokhale's department. The kits have been provided to Shubhanshu Shukla to carry out exclusive experiments in this space which were never done before. And in fact, we are one of the first departments across the world which has entered into a formal MOU with the Department of Space, realizing that very soon we'll have an exclusive domain called space biology. And I was telling him in lighter vein that very soon we'll also have a specialty of space medicine to take care of the astronauts who go up there or who are lodged there in the International Space Station. So all these plant-related experiments and also experiments related to human physiology, the muscle regeneration, etc., are being